Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide.
Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change country on Shein application.
Keep watching the video till the end.
To change country on Shein, firstly go ahead and open up your Shein application.
The home page of Shein application will appear on the screen. Tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will end up on your profile section. Now simply tap on little gear icon at the top right side of the page and then tap on location. Choose your country or location you want to change to and tap on it.
This is how you can change country on Shein application
Quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.